Good morning guys. Today I'm going to show you the property for sale. This is the farmhouse situated here in Maribohok, Bohol. So as you can see, that is the boundary. So this area is already fenced with the structure, house, 2 bedrooms and 1 toilet and bath. It's a fully fenced and also along the barangay cemented road. So this is the property guys. Look at that. So the frontage of this property along the cemented road, that is 51 meters wide along the barangay road. So look at the property. So this is good if you are looking residential or farming, good for farming. You can consider this one because this property is a containing of the lot area of 10,503 square meter. So look at that. That is a santol, and this is a moringa olipira, and also the dwarf coconut tree. Right. So this is the driveway guys, to the parking area. So by the way, this car, Ford truck, is also previous, including of the sale. That is only a bonus. And also look at that. This is the dwarf coconut tree. So anytime you can drink the fresh buko juice. Look at that. Right. And there is more coconut dwarf right there. So this area, more or less 1,000 square meter, is a fully fenced. So this is the house, is newly renovated. Look at that. This is the house guys, because before there is a portion of damages, but right now is a fully repair. So it's a newly renovation. Look at that. And also there is a Virgin Mary grotto there, and I'll show you. There's also a attic upstairs, and right there you have the veranda, very spacious. So anytime you can sit here and enjoy the view. So you have a forest view, and also you are very close to the chapel, barangay chapel. So this is the view outside at your veranda. And also I'm going to show you inside the house. This is the main door. So here, as you can see, this is the living area. So look at that. The ceiling is newly repaired. Right. And here I'll show you the bedroom. So this is the bedroom guys, with AC, air condition, and also there is a bed. Look at that. Okay. So this is the bedroom one, and also I'll show you another bedroom right here. This is the another bedroom guys. As you can see, there is a prime bed, and also there is a AC, air condition. So 2 bedroom with AC with air condition. Nice. Look at that. And right there you have the sofa, and I'll show you also the upstairs. So the upstairs, guys, you have also the space. It's look like this one is a attic. Look at that. So it can be used for your storage, or you can put a partition for another guest room or bedroom. And right there you have a terrace. So this is the terrace. Look at that. So that is the view from here at the terrace upstairs, facing to the Virgin Mary, the grotto, and also there is a chapel, and the view is a forest. All right, so going back inside, I'll show you the so this is a television area. Here is a living area, the main door, the 2 bedrooms. Look at that. And here another area to the kitchen. So you have the fridge, and also functional, and also the generator backup, if just in case if there is a brownout, so you have the backup generator. This is also functional. And also the toilet is right there, right? So from here we have also the dining table and also the kitchen area. So this is the kitchen area, and also another door going to the dirty kitchen. So before that, I'll show you also the faucet. Oh, this is very strong water connection, no problem about the water. So the water supply is very strong, and also you have the existing of electricity. And right there, access going to the dirty kitchen. So anytime you can grill here, this area you have a space. So from here, guys, I'll show you. This is the outside, the grotto, and also the veranda, and this is the another side of the house. And here you have also a faucet for your garden. You can watering your vegetables and also your garden. And also here you have a spicy sili. Look at that. Wow, you have more spicy sili. This is good for halang-halang. Oh, manok na kulang ani. Yan. So you have banana, you have the kamuti, you have the dwarf coconut, and also look at that, you have the banana, lami kay na siya agon, and also you have the cassava. So there's also a gate here, so access going to the back. So as you can see at the back, guys, there is a lot of banana, and also there is existing of piggery. So anytime if you like to piggery business, you can do it anytime. And also there is a house for the chicken, and also for the itik. Yan. So the property is until at the back. So only here at this area is fully fenced, but at the back is open, good for farming. But there is a lot of bananas right there. Okay, so this is the property containing lot area of 10,503 square meter. This is a clean title property. The seller is still alive, the signatory is only one couple. So the good news is the location wise is very close to the Tagbilaran. That is only a 30 minutes drive going to Tagbilaran City, very close. And also you have a 1.5 hectares property. This is a 10,503 square meter, clean title, and also along the cemented barangay road. And as you can see, this is the previous, it's a free, but this is need to be repaired because there is something of the parts is need to replace, so that's only a bonus. So as you can see, the house guys is a newly painted, newly repaired, newly renovated. So this is livable, the house. Again guys, if you are looking farming smaller, this is a 1.5 hectares, so you can consider this one. Location wise is perfect because you know it's very close to Tagbilaran City. That is only 30 minutes drive going to Tagbilaran City. This is situated here at the Maribohok area. The good news is along the cemented road, barangay road, and also with house, livable, ready, the water and also the electric is existing in this area. Very strong water connection, and you have also electricity. So aside from that, the property is the clean title, the seller is still alive, only one couple signatory. So that is the good news. No hassle because it's a clean title, and also the price is very affordable. So if you want to know more about the price and also the complete full details of this property, you can find below at the description section about the full details and about the price. And if you are interested about this property, you can message me directly via my email and also my WhatsApp. I am very happy to assist you guys. By the way, my name is Rolando Uyangurin from Bachelor's Realty. I am very happy to assist you. So thank you and have a nice day. By the way, stay tuned guys for the next video. See you.